everyone, welcome back. It's me, Miss Foster, and today we're going to be doing a really sweet project called a heart map. And so the instructions are pretty simple. Today you're going to draw a heart, and inside of that heart we are going to draw and or write things that make our hearts happy. So throughout this class we've been talking about different emotions, how to draw them. We've talked about anger, sadness, being surprised, being content. And today I really want you to think about and tap into those things that make you feel joyful, happy, and just put a big smile on your face and in your heart. So today, your heart map is going to look different from everyone else who creates a heart map, including mine. So you can follow along with the video with me, but please know that what goes inside your heart map should be unique to you. Your heart map might look different from mine, and that is just perfect. So today we're going to be drawing, writing, and coloring in our heart maps, and then at the very end, we'll go ahead and add some fun details, cut it out, and then put it on another piece of construction paper. That, of course, is optional. If you prefer to just cut it out or leave it on the white of the paper, you can do that as well. So today, go ahead and grab something to draw on, something to draw with, and something to color with. So materials of your choice today, and let's get started. everyone, it's me again, Miss Foster. I'm just here to remind you to hit the subscribe button if you like these videos and you want to see more. I also want to remind you that these videos are created in partnership with Painting Pandas, which is an awesome nonprofit organization here in Austin, Texas that provides free art instruction and free art supplies to any kid who needs them. If you would like to learn more, donate, or sign up for a live class with me, go ahead and click the link that's in the description below, www.paintingpandas.org. All right, I'll see you next time.